Respected Father Headmaster, Father Brito, Assistant Headmistress, Mrs. Monare, dear colleagues, and my dear children, a very good evening to all of you. As we all know that the Society of Jesus is celebrating the Ignatian year, and we being a part of the Xaverian family feel privileged to be a part of this celebration. The celebration is themed as follows: to see all things new in the Christ, an invitation to the whole society to be renewed by the Lord himself, an opportunity to know, to love, and to follow the Lord of all things. Written by Father Sosa S.J., the Superior General of the Society of Jesus. Father Sosa announced the celebration of the Ignatian year to commemorate 500 years since the conversion of St. Ignatius in 2021 and 400 years of canonization of St. Ignatius and St. Francis Xavier in 2022. This quiz, based on the life of St. Ignatius, is a part of the celebration. Before we begin the quiz, let us pray to God for his blessings. I will now read a scripture from the Holy Bible. Psalms 27, verses 12. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the stronghold of my life, of whom I shall be afraid of. Now I request Father Headmaster to declare the quiz open for this special occasion.
Good evening, teachers, and good evening, my dear students. So it is a great occasion for all of us to participate in this quiz contest. So I declare this quiz contest to be opened.
Thank you, Father. I would now like to introduce to you my colleagues who will be helping me to conduct this quiz. Ms. Jayanti Devan for tabulation, Mrs. Pallavi for timekeeping, Mrs. Reena Goyal for visual rounds, and Mr. Nilotpal for the technical support. Tripta Mehra, that means me, will be conducting today's quiz. Thank you. Now let me start with the introduction part. We'll start with Team A. Participant A1 will now introduce herself. Participant A1, kindly unmute yourself and give your introduction.
Good evening, everyone. Artisha Pandey from class 5th.
Participant A2.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Shreyansh from 5A.
Participant A3.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Mandesh and I'm from class 5A.
Participant B1.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Aditi John. I'm from class 5B.
Participant B2.
Divisha Sharma from class 6B.
Participant B3.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Divisha Rahul. I am from 5th B.
Participant C1.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Divyanshu Sharma from class 5C.
Participant C2.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Soumya Shri from class 5C.
Thank you, Soumya. Participant C3.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Yajavi from class 5C.
Team D. Participant D1.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Anshuman Kashyap and I am from class 5D.
Participant D2.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ivani George from class 5D.
Participant D3.
Good evening, everyone. I am Laiba from class 5D.
All right. Team E, E1.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Kaisha Sareen. I am from class 5th E.
Participant E2.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ojas Kumar Vats from class 5E.
Participant E3.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Vijayanti from class 5E.
Thank you, Vijayanti. I go to next team, that is Team F. Participant F1.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Adya Singh from class 5th.
Participant F2.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Catherine Samairajan. I am a student of class 5F.
Thank you, Samara. Participant F3.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Kartiki Jarada. I am from class 6F.
Thank you, everyone. Let me now begin the quiz based on the life of St. Ignatius for class 5. All the participants are expected to pay attention. There will be total 3 rounds. 1 direct round, 1 unscramble the jumbled word round, and 1 multiple choice round. The instructions will be given before each round about the rules. Before starting the direct round, let me now tell you about the rules for the first round, that is the direct round. The question for this round will be displayed on the screen. At the same time, I will also read out the question. The participants of each team will keep their cameras on and the mics on as and when their turn comes. The participants of the other teams are expected to keep their cameras and mics off. The participants will wait for me to read out the question. If any one of the participants know the answer, he or she may use the raise hand option and wait for me to call out the name. Then only you will give the answer. You will get 15 seconds to answer. If you give correct answer, you will score 10 points. If you give incorrect answer, I may give the chance to the other participants of the same team if time permits. Now I request the participants of team A to kindly unmute themselves and turn on their videos. Participants of team A, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Say yes, ma'am. Soumeshri, please turn off your camera, bache, C2. Just participant A1, please say yes, ma'am. I'm unable to see you on the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Participant A3, say yes, ma'am. Okay, but fine. Here is your question, team A. When did the ignition year start? Simran Bish, participant A3.
20 March.
Archisha, any idea?
No.
Okay. Shreyansh?
No, ma'am.
Pallavi ma'am, do we have time?
Time is up.
Time is
Excuse
up.
me, ma'am.
Yes, Simran, you were saying something, bache?
No, ma'am.
No. Can we have
Ma'am Shreyansh.
Shreyansh? Yes, Shreyansh, tell me.
Ma'am, 12 March.
Let's see the correct answer. It's May 2021, the ignition year started. Last year, May 2021, we started with ignition year. It's fine, no problem. Still we have some more questions. So gear up, children. Okay. Team B participants, are you ready? Say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, team B, here is your question. How many siblings did St. Ignatius have? Aditi?
Ma'am, 13 children.
How many siblings? Read the question carefully. Sivisha?
Ma'am, 12.
12 is the correct answer. You're right. Total 30 children. Aditi, you were right in a way, but then apart from St. Ignatius, he had 12 other siblings. So 12 is the correct answer. We'll give it to you. All right, team B, you started well. Let's move on to team C. Team C children, are you ready? Say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right, all right. Team B participants are expected to keep the cameras off. Yes, Pacha, you were saying something. Somebody has any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Let us now have the question on the screen for team C. With whom did St. Ignatius share his room at the University of Paris? Okay, Divyanshi?
Ma'am, Peter Faber and St. Francis Xavier.
Absolutely right. Tina ma'am, can we have the answers here on the board? Yes. Yes, both the correct answers. I'm so happy that you've prepared so well, Divyanshi. All right, we'll give it to you. 10 points for team C. Team D participants, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please turn on your camera as well as mics and say yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
All right. Team C, your question is, Team D, your question is here. Where did St. Ignatius say his first mass? Yes, anybody from team D? Laiba, Anshuman, Ivania?
No, ma'am.
No idea. Time is ticking.
Time is over.
Okay, time is up. Let's have the answer on the screen. Dina ma'am, it's a chapel of Manger that is He said his first mass in 1558, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, never mind. We still have 2 more rounds coming up, so please gear up. All right, Team B, your turn is over. You may turn off your cameras and mics. Laiba, Ivania, all right. Team E, are you ready, participants? Say yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, all right. Your question is here, Team E. In which year was the Society of Jesus formed? Team E, hurry up, time is ticking. In which year was the, okay, Kaisha, try.
1535.
One more try.
Time is up, ma'am.
Time is up. The correct answer is, Leena ma'am, 1540, 1540. It is written very much there in your diary as well. Should keep a track on your diaries and also the instructions given to you. All right, no problem. Let's move on to Team F. All right, your question is here, Team F.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please ask them to come on the screen.
Yes, Team F participants are not visible on the screen. Say yes, ma'am, Team F.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, Adya, tell me.
ma'am, I can't see the screen.
Screen you can't see. It's still
Question.
blank. We'll show you the question. Wait. We'll show you the question. Wait. It is blank. Huh. Okay, Team F, your question is, St. Ignatius was jailed for teaching students and adults for 42 days. Is it true or false?
Ma'am, it is false.
It is a true statement. There are only 2 options. So Adya prompted without thinking. So we can't give it to you, Adya. Team F, I'm sorry. There were only 2 options. Obviously, if you say the correct option, the other one will be the wrong option. That is, it is a true statement. Do you know that when he started preaching in early days of priesthood, he was not given the liberty to preach the adults and the students. He was not allowed to teach and he was jailed. Please go through the biographies we've been sharing with you and it will teach you a lot of things. All right, no problem. Never mind. Here we come to, very good, Simran. If you've read it, that's very good. Okay, excellent effort so far, teams. And here we come to the end of the first round. That is a direct round. Let me now start with the next round. That is unscramble the jumbled word round. Kartikeya, please turn off your camera. This is the turn for Team A participants. Team A participants, are you ready? Say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And it is you have to unjumble the word. There will be a jumbled word or unscramble the word that will be shown. You will get a hint also. If you have read the biographies and the information given to you, you will definitely score well. Okay, participants of Team A, here is your question. The Spanish town in which the cannonball broke one leg of St. Ignatius. Okay, Shreyansh, your response?
Pamplona.
Pamplona is the right answer. Can we have the answer on the screen, ma'am? We will give it to you. Shreyansh, you've got given the correct answer. All right, very good. You may turn off your camera now. Thank you. Team B, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Team B, here is your question. The country against which St. Francis Xavier was fighting in 1521. Okay, Tivisha.
Ma'am, French.
France, actually. French are the people residing in France. So the correct answer is France, but we'll still give it to you. No problem, Tivisha. We'll give it to you. You may turn off your camera now. As it says, France is the correct answer. Okay, thank you. Team C, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Excellent. Very prompt, huh? Children are very quick. All right, Team C, here is your question. The place where St. Ignatius decided to go after his recovery. Yes, Divyanshi?
Ma'am, Jerusalem.
Jerusalem. Very good. Very good. Absolutely right. When we have the correct answer here, Reena ma'am, yes, Jerusalem is the correct answer. Very good, Divyanshi. I'm happy that you're so very well prepared for the quiz. All right. Next, we have question for Team D. Team D participants, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Ivania?
Ma'am.
Okay. Here's your question, Team D. The place where St. Ignatius go after his recovery. Team D. Hurry up.
Time is up, children.
Time is up, children. Can we have the correct answer, Reena ma'am? It is Barcelona. Actually, he decided to go to Jerusalem. He wanted to go to Jerusalem where Jesus spent most of his time, Jesus Christ, but then he could not go. So he ultimately went to Barcelona. So this is also there in this biography if you've read it. All right, never mind, Team D. Don't lose heart. You still have time. Okay, Team E, are you ready with the responses? Okay, Team E. Just turn on your camera. Here's your question. What do we call the members of the Society of Jesus? Ojas?
Jesuits.
Jesuits, correct. As you must have seen, all the Jesuits write their name as SJ in the end. That means the Society of Jesus. The Jesuits are the members of the Society of Jesus, correct. Ojas? All right. This is now the turn for Team F. Team F participants, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Team F, here is a question. During the journey to Barcelona, where did St. Ignatius stop?
Ma'am, Manresa.
Okay, let's have the answer. Kartike, you have given the correct answer. You're right. Manresa is the correct answer. Very good, Kartike. Happy to see children have learned something during this preparation of the quiz. All right, here we come to the end of the round 2 as well, children. Here are certain rules that I need to remind you of for the third round, that is the multiple choice questions. Let me now give you the further instructions. The rule here are almost the same. The only difference here is that the question here will not be passed on even to the participants of the same team. Because if you give one wrong answer, obviously you have a 50-50 chance of getting a correct answer. So we don't want to get into that. So just to avoid that, there will be only one chance given. So be alert, think about it. Few seconds you may take, but try and give the correct answer so that you score well in this round. This is the multiple choice round. Okay. Team A participants, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here is your question. In which region of Spain was St. Ignatius born? Shreyansh?
Ma'am, northern Spain.
Okay, northern Spain is the correct answer. Can we have the answer on the screen, ma'am? Yes, this is first option was the correct one, northern Spain. You're right, Shreyansh. Very well done. Okay, Team B participants, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Here is your question, Team B. Where did St. Ignatius stay during his recovery process? Castle of Magic, Castle of Loyola, Castle of the Glass. Team B. Okay, Aditi, your answer?
Castle of Loyola.
Castle of Loyola. Can we have the answer on the screen, ma'am? You're right, Aditi. It is the Castle of Loyola in which he stayed during his recovery. Aditi is happy. Huh? Very good, Aditi. All right. Team C participants, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, team C, here is your question. At which university did St. Ignatius study literature, philosophy, and theology? Divyanshi again.
Ma'am, University of Paris A.
Okay, A, University of Paris. Can we have the answer here, ma'am? You are right once again, Divyanshi. Very well done. Very well done. Excellent effort by Divyanshi. Very good. Okay. Team C participants can turn off their cameras and mics. Team D, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. Team D, here's your question. When will the Ignatian year end? '20th. Okay, Ivania, can we have the answer from you?
3rd December 2022.
As I said, this question cannot be passed on to the participants of the other team. Can we have the answer on the screen, ma'am? It is the 31st July, the feast of St. Ignatius of Loyola. Next year, we'll be celebrating the end of the Ignatian year. Never mind, Team D. Better luck next time. All right. Team E, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Team E, here's your question. Whom did St. Ignatius meet in Rome or Italy? Is this Pope Adrian V, 6, or 7? Yes, Vijayanti?
Ma'am, I think option B.
B, Pope Adrian VI. Can we have the answer on the screen, ma'am? Yes, you're right. Pope Adrian VI, with whom he met in Rome, Italy. Vijayanti, you're right, Pacha. Next, last question for today's quiz goes to Team F. Team F participants, here's your question. In which year did St. Ignatius die? Okay, Adya Singh, quickly, come on.
Ma'am, in 1556.
Can we have the answer here, Reena ma'am? Yes, you're right, Adya. Very good. 1556, the year in which he breathed his last. And here we come to the end of all the 3 rounds. Very well done, children. I'm happy that you've studied well. You've gone through the instructions carefully. Before giving you the final score, let me ask Mrs. Pallavi to take over for the vote of the thanks.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Father.
Is there any tie-up there?
I'm just waiting for Jayanti ma'am to recalculate. That's why.
Okay, that's okay. Okay, yeah.
That's why I wanted the vote of thanks first, and then we have the. Yes, Pallavi ma'am, take over.
A very good evening, everyone. It's my privilege to express gratitude and extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making today's event a great success. A special mention to our dear headmaster, Father Brito, for his constant support and for standing as a pillar of strength. I would like to thank our assistant headmistress, Mona ma'am, for being the motivation who encourages us to do our best. I extend my sincere thanks to Tripta ma'am for being a fabulous quiz master, Reena ma'am for the visual rounds, Jayanti ma'am for the tabulation, and Nilotpal sir for his technical assistance. Our sincere gratitude goes to all the parents for their rock-solid support and encouragement. Thanks to all the parents. And finally, I would like to thank our participants who made this event blissful with their excellent performances. Thanks to each one of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Pallavi ma'am. Can we now have the scores, Jayanti ma'am?
Yes,
I know what is the position.
Yeah. Good evening, everybody. So we have, I think you have done a great job. First of all, congratulations to all of you all. Fantastic performance, and what a quiz it was. And it was like really a hard, I would say very tough competition. And obviously we have 2 teams fighting for the first position. So team B and C will have a tie for the first position, and then we have 3 more teams for the final position, 3rd position, I would say. So firstly, we'll go for the first 2 teams that are there for first position, team B and team C for the tiebreaker.
And then team A
Team A,
E,
Team E, and
Team
F
for the third position.
Yes.
All right, all right. Children, there are some rules for the tiebreaker round as well. As for the results, we have the tie between Team B and Team C for the first position. The rules will be like that, like this. All the participants will keep their cameras and mics on. That means all the 6 participants of both the teams will keep their cameras and mics on. I will ask you one question. If you know the answer, quickly raise your hand. When I call out your name, you may give the answer. If you give the correct answer, you score 5 bonus points. If you give incorrect answer, you lose 5 points.
Ma'am, which team?
Team B and C for first position and the second. If you gain the point, you will get the first position, and if you lose the point, then you will get the second position. If you don't score again, okay, got the rule correctly, Divyanshi?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Here is your question. Team B, Team C. Yes. Any doubt? Any doubt? Yes.
मैम जो शुरू के थर्ड पोजीशन है मैम ए बी होगा.
हाँ बेटा, A, E and F will be in the third position. They will be a tiebreaker round for them as well. Right now we are having the question for Team B and Team C participants only. Okay, this is for first and second position. For third position, again there are 3 teams, which is Team A, Team E and Team F. Clear? So right now only Team B and C will keep their cameras on and the mics also on.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Pallavi ma'am, Jayanti ma'am, please keep an eye so that we may know who's
ma'am.
kept the hand up. Raise the hand first. Okay.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Here is your question, Team B and Team C. During his journey to Barcelona, where did St. Ignatius first proceeded and made a general confession? I repeat, during
what? Which question?
I repeat the question. During his journey to Barcelona, where did St. Ignatius first proceeded and made a general confession? Any guess, Divyanshi?
Ma'am?
Okay. Yes, try, come on.
Ma'am, is it Manresa?
No, I'm sorry, you lost it. That's okay. The correct answer is Montserrat, okay, where he had kept his sword and he made a general confession before an altar. Okay, never mind. So this round is over. Tiebreaker round for first and second position. I'll ask you another question. I wanted to purposely keep it a little tough. As you can understand, the competition, the level of competition already is very high. All right. Then we have Team A, Team E, and Team F. Are you ready, participants?
Ready, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ready?
Yes,
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
One question for you. For how many months did St. Ignatius stay at Manresa? Ojas?
10 months.
Ojas, what did you say? Can you repeat?
10 months.
10 months is the correct answer. Very good, Ojas. He's also well prepared. Very good. Is it all sorted out now, Jayanti ma'am? Are the scores?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, please take over.
Sure. Congratulations to all the winning teams. You did a great job. And now with this, we come to the final results. So Team B bags the first position with 30 points. Team C bags second position with 25 points. And Team E bags third position with 23 points. So that's all for today. And I now hand over the mic to Tripta ma'am. Thank you so much. All the very best.
Thank you, Jayanti ma'am. I congratulate all the participants and of course the winning teams for their wonderful effort. To conclude, I would like to read a quote written by St. Ignatius of Loyola. Act as if everything depended on you. Trust as if everything depended on God. Here, I, Tripta Mehra, would like to take a leave now. Thank you everyone for joining the online quiz for the life of St. Ignatius for class 5. May God bless us all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You may
Thank
leave,
you, ma'am.
children.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
And thank
Bye,
you so
ma'am.
much.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.